guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the S&M Forever. So today we are going to talk about the tram and the S-Bahn. Hope you enjoy. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys, I want to talk a bit about public transport in Berlin, starting with the tram, as you can see right now in the video. So tram is short for tramway, and trams are basically trains that go along streets together with cars, which also has some downsides because they have to adhere to traffic lights. So they only reach, I guess, about 19 kilometers per hour on average, but still a fast way to go around the city. And they have a long history, starting around 1825, where they're actually drawn by horses and not electrical. That only started in 1881. And they reached their height in about 1929. Where there were about 600 kilometers of tracks and almost 1 billion of passengers per year. But all of that came to a stop in the Second World War, where a lot of the tram network was destroyed and only half of it could be recovered after the war. Then a second hit came as Berlin became a divided city, divided into a western and eastern part. And actually in the western part of Berlin, trams were dismantled fully up to 1967, because West Berlin was focusing more on the U-Bahn and buses. So actually, even today, after the reunification of Berlin in 1989, there is almost no trams in the western part of Berlin. So if you are traveling by tram, you will usually be in a part of Berlin that was the eastern one in the past. So today there's 22 lines, and this is a lot less than the 89 at the height of the S-Bahn, and about 200 kilometers instead of 630 in the past, and about 200 million of passengers per year instead of about 1 billion. But still, it's the third largest tram network in the world, and one tram can carry up to 300 passengers. So about the S-Bahn is another important public transport system in Berlin. S-Bahn stands for Stadtbahn, meaning city train, and these trains actually have their own network of tracks that are separate from the streets. So these can travel quite a bit faster, on average about 40 kilometers per hour. And there's about 16 lines in Berlin, and about 340 kilometers of tracks, and it carries about 500 million passengers per year. And one train can carry up to 1,200 passengers. And it also has a long history, starting from about 1838, where a first train line was established, which was still drawn by horses or steam engines, and first electrical trains were established at around 1900. And also the S-Bahn was affected a lot by the Second World War and the division of Berlin afterwards. Because of that division, some of its stations became unused because they were at the border between East and West, meaning you couldn't enter trains there, but trains would still pass through them, so they were called ghost stations at that time. But this changed after reunification, and today all of these stations again have been reopened. So today the S-Bahn network in Berlin is again one unified train network. So yeah, this is the story for today. Maybe we'll continue in the future.
Thank you guys for staying tuned in. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye from the S&M. We love you. Subscribe, share, like.
check.